Presto offers highly advanced touchscreen model of humidity chamber. Touch anywhere on the screen to access. Main menu will appears. To enter test parameters, click on test mode icon, enter temperature, humidity and testing duration using touchscreen numeric keypad. Test parameters are being entered using password protected keypad to avoid any unauthorized person to access the screen. The alarm will alert the operator once the set test duration has been completed. It is equipped with German imported fans for better uniform and homogeneous heating or cooling inside the test chamber. It comes with red, green, yellow identification tower lights, door lock latch and key lock to avoid any authorized access. The machine alerts the operator in case if door is not closed.